Hi guys, this is Mel from That's My MO, as in That's My Milo and Olivia. I'm here to help. If you have any questions about parrots, please ask. I am trying to get all the parrots to stay in their forever homes and don't go to rescues, especially cockatoos. And this is the purpose of my channel, to inform people that are getting a parrot or already have one and have questions. So if you like what I do, please subscribe, please like, and please share. Thank you, and as always, have a good day, good night, good evening, whenever you are.
咲いた野の花よ後か教えてくれ希望やなって傷つけ合って争うもでしょうもうあなたから愛されることも強くとされることもないそして私はこうして一人その中を好きだった